one of the earliest forms of life on Earth. Over billions of years, the development of plants had undergone a long and intricate process. From cyanobacteria to modern terrestrial plants, from aspirin to artemisinin, plants has been changing the world and reshaping humanity. In today's harmonious coexistence between humans and nature, Shaanxi Hongda Phytochemistry Company Limited, a modern high-tech enterprise combining technology and research, is forging a new blueprint in the field of natural plant extraction with a forward-looking vision and advanced technology. The company is affiliated with Shaanxi Hongda Group and is located in the Hongda Industrial Park in Sanyuan, Shaanxi Province. The factory covers an area of over 20,000 square meters and is equipped with GMP standard production workshops and advanced vacuum drying and spray drying equipment. A fully enclosed stainless steel plant extraction production line ensures high standards and efficiency in the production process. Additionally, the company has a complete laboratory equipped with state-of-the-art equipment such as high-performance liquid chromatography, gas chromatography, spectrophotometer, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, polarimeter, automatic treater, biochemical oxygen demand incubator, chemical oxygen demand incubator, melting point apparatus, and more. Since its establishment in 2003, Hongda has been dedicated to the research, production, sales, and export trade of natural plant extracts and standardized Chinese medicinal products. The company has nearly 200 employees, including a professional R&D team of over 20 people. Over the years, we have continuously innovated our product range, from traditional extracts such as quercetin, green tea, aloe vera, ginseng, and coffee beans to mushroom cereals, and sustenance cereals, medicinal and edible homologous cereals, solid beverage cereals, and more. Our products are widely used in various industries, including solid beverages, health products, pharmaceuticals, feed, cosmetics, etc., and are exported to overseas markets, including the UK, Germany, France, the Netherlands, the United States, Brazil, and others. Hongda adheres to the business philosophy of integrated-based, continuous innovation and maintains close cooperation with institutions such as Northwest University, Traditional Chinese Medicine College, and the Chinese Academy of Sciences to build a strong technical foundation for the company's development. In recent years, we have successively been honored with numerous awards including High-Tech Enterprise, Science and Technology Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise in Shaanxi Province, and have obtained multiple qualifications and certificates such as CGMP, HALA, Kosher, ISO 22000, FSSC 22000, Organic Certification, and Vegetarian Certification, driving greater diversity in plant extraction and empowering industry development. Looking ahead, Hongda will not forget its original reason of creating value for customers, bringing return to shareholders, and providing a platform for employees. We will continue to deepen our expertise in plant extraction, strengthen production management, uphold strict quality standards, and expand sales channels. We are committed to becoming a leader in the natural plant extract industry, making greater contributions to promoting a green and healthy lifestyle.